Bitcoin, powered by knowledge. Redeemed by action. Every solution mapped, every lie unmasked, funds someone's survival. We don't mine coins. We mine truth. We don't inflate markets. We inflate minds. And when we do, the people eat. Bitcoin Proposal System, Mock Flow. Purpose: to create a blockchain-inspired educational model where users earn Bitcoins by researching systemic problems, submitting truth-based solutions, providing evidence via book quotes, getting verified by a decentralized knowledge panel, redeeming accepted proposals for social good, X, groceries for someone in need. Step 1, Education and Extraction. User role, researcher/scholar of systems. Choose from a curated library of non-fiction books, tagged by theme, racial injustice, economic inequality, patriarchy, climate, etc. Extract 2 to 3 key quotes that explain either a root cause of the problem, a real-world solution or case study that has worked. Summarize the problem in under 150 words. Propose a modern adaptation of the solution using current data or tech. Example submission. Book, The New Jim Crow by Michelle Alexander. Root cause quote, mass incarceration is the new caste system. Solution quote, if we want to end the system, we must give voice to those directly impacted. Proposal, partner local governments with community-run decarceration projects and fund them through reallocated police budgets. Step 2, Decentralized verification. Reviewer role, knowledge panelist/peer verifier. Other users with verifier status review proposals using a rubric. Is the quote real, cited, and relevant? Is the cause plus solution clearly explained? Does the proposal show creative adaptation to modern conditions? Minimum 3 out of 5 approvals equals proposal accepted. Verifiers earn microcoins for their time, promoting engagement from educated users. Step 3, Social reward system. Reward role, community champion. Once approved, proposal earns 1 Bitcoin. Coin can be redeemed to buy groceries for a local family in need, donate to a community project, school garden, women's shelter, etc. Sponsor free education workshops. Coin redemptions are transparent and trackable, with optional photo/video proof, privacy respected. Example. Your proposal just funded $25 of groceries through our local pantry. You made truth pay off. Optional features. Proposal leaderboards, top monthly proposals win bonus coins. Receipt vault, archive of all quotes, causes, and solutions submitted for public learning. Coin exchange, users can donate earned coins to others to help their communities. Summary of roles. Role, researcher. Description. Submits quote-based proposal. Earns what 1 Bitcoin. Role, verifier. Description, approves/rejects proposals. Earns what, microcoins per review. Role, community champion. Description, uses coins to deliver help. Earns what, non-monetary reward. Honey is Gold is a blockchain-inspired, socially driven platform where knowledge becomes currency. Users earn hexagonal bitcoins by researching solutions to systemic problems through curated educational texts. When proposals are accepted by governments or institutions, coins become redeemable for real-world value, like food or aid for underserved communities. We're merging gamification, education, and social impact into a scalable model with potential for partnerships, data licensing, and ESG-aligned investment returns. It's the future of civic engagement, tokenized.